So hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the VHS effect in Premiere Pro. Before you do start, make sure to download the pack, which will be in the description below. It includes a damaged VHS overlay along with 2 scanline images, and I'm going to show you how to use them. So to get started, have your clip ready, open the overlays pack, and all you want to do is just drag and drop the damaged VHS overlay on top of your footage. Set the opacity to around 50 and then change the blend mode to something like overlay, or if you want to, you can choose soft light. You can leave it as it is, it will look something like this, but if you want to go further and add some scanlines, all you want to do is just select one. So I'm going to drag and drop scanlines 1 on top. So I'm going to trim it and then select the blend mode to soft light. Now it looks something like this, but if you don't like that, then you can add the other one instead. Get rid of the other one and then change this one to soft light, and there you go. So yeah, that is pretty much all you have to do. If the VHS effect or the scanlines look a bit odd, then you can mess around with the blend modes to see what is right for your footage. So for example, setting it to darker color makes the scanlines a bit more visible, and it kind of gives that CTR effect. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hope you did find it helpful, and if you did, then why not drop a like and also subscribe if you're new. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, peace.